Welcome back to the Grown Women's Table. Hey, it's your girl Lori. Hope you guys are having a great and wonderful day. Y'all, today's video is all about the brand new Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Beauty versus Love palette. You guys, this is not a first impression. I have worn this a couple of times, so I'm gonna give you all the information. I'm gonna show you how I got this look, and then I'm gonna give you my final thoughts. So I know you guys wanted to see all that and know all that. So what do you need to do? Say it with me. Keep on watching. All right, y'all, run, grab your chairs, have a seat at the Grown Women's Table. You guys, so we're going to get into this video. In the description box, there will be a link. It is an affiliate link. So if you decide to pick it up, thank you in advance for using my link, because that's a way of giving back to the channel. And you guys already know we thumbs up the video in order to say hello. All right, y'all, let's get into it. So let me show you. This is the outside packaging, which I just thought was so adorable. So cute how the palette itself had the little heart. Like, that's super cute. So let me show you the palette. And it does have the names on this little piece of paper as well as on the back. But as you can see, your girl been playing in her. I know you guys like when I, use video products for a while and then tell you my thoughts. So I've been playing with her. This is the packaging, which is super cute. On the back, it does have all the information that you will want. Now, this palette is limited edition and it's $69. And as you can see, we do have 9 shades in this palette. As far as the formula, there's mattes, when there's something that they call Crystal Glow, and Party Toppers. So majority of this palette is matte. Let me see. You have what? 5 matte shades, 3 of the Crystal Glow, and 1 Party Topper. So let me just show you. So all of these shades and these 2 are your mattes. This shade right here is the Party Topper. And then these 3 shades down here are what they call Crystal Glow, which is supposed to be like a shimmery foil type formula. And the Party Topper is a light reflecting shade. And the mattes are cream to powder. Now, as you guys can see, this is a pretty monochromatic palette. You're not going to get a whole lot of different looks out of this palette. If you love mauve looks, then you will be very happy, I feel like, with this palette. So let's talk about the packaging. To me, it's pretty. But I do feel like Charlotte Tilbury packaging is a little lightweight. Like, it's very lightweight. It gives like that luxe as far as the embossing and the way it looks. But when you actually feel the palette, it's more not luxury. So I kind of feel like that about all of her packaging. So the packaging to me is all right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put the swatches in so you can see it. And while you look at the swatches, I do want to say that top row, those shades look very, very similar to me. And I do understand why they're doing that, but they are very, very similar. So let me show you the palette. Let me show you. And I feel like they're all like in that mauve family, right? But I understand based on your skin tone, they could either be used as your lid colors and or your brow bone color. So I feel like she gave us something for the fair, medium, and deeper for your lid color. Now, one thing I do like about this palette, you guys already know how I feel about having shades that can, give me that depth in my outer V. And both of these mattes do that for your girl. You'll see that in the video. Both of them give me the depth that I need, and I am here for that. That's always a plus in my book. Now, I do have something to say about these bottom shade colors, because they say they are the Crystal Glow. But you guys, like this shade right here, it's a heavier formula. It's more textured, so they don't feel the same for them to be the same formula. And this one right here is a lot thinner. It's giving me more of a topper. And then this shade is giving me metallic. So even though they're the same formula, they are different. They are definitely different, and you can feel the difference and you can see the difference in each shade. So I just thought you might want to know that as well. Now, as far as comparisons, if you have any palette that is primarily in the mauve family, you can create these looks. Like you'll get a similar look. And I was looking at, because I don't have that many Charlotte Tilbury palettes except for like the holiday ones. So for me, this color story is new to my collection. But I do have the Retro by Natasha. And I feel like it's similar as well. Only difference is you don't have that darker color, but you definitely have some of the same type of colors. So is this a palette that you have to just run out and get? I'm going to say two things. It's definitely the look. You can definitely get this look with a multitude of palettes. But the formula is really good. Like I didn't have the shimmery shades, the topper shade. Like I didn't have any fallout. The mattes built up very easily, very nicely. You got, like I said, for me, having two deepening shades in one palette is a plus. For me, if you're my skin tone, to be able to have that, I feel like that is a plus. And you guys, it's really nice. And the cream to mattes are really nice in this eyeshadow palette as well. The eye look was very simple, easy to create, and yeah, I like it, you guys. And I also like the size. Like I feel like you get enough product, but then it's small enough for me to travel with, because you guys know how I feel about that. So my final thoughts is I feel like it's worth picking up. If you really love this color story, then I feel like the formula in here is really nice and you will enjoy it. And I feel like they did a good job. And I feel like this is a type of palette that anyone could wear. Like these colors look good on everybody. You know what I mean? From the fairs to the deep, I feel like everybody can make a look and create a look that's going to look really nice. And I know someone's going to ask me, the lipstick that I put on today was the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. And y'all, it's real pretty. Very pretty. All right, y'all, so that is it. In the comment section, let me know. First of all, are you a lover of mauve shades, mauve looks? And do you think you're going to pick it up? Or have you already picked it up? And you guys, follow your girl on Instagram at It's Lori's Life. And if you have already picked it up, please, I want to see y'all eye looks. I really would love to see the eye looks that you guys create with these eyeshadows. So hit your girl up in the DM and let me see those eye looks that you guys create. But that is it. So to all my new subscribers, I see you and I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you know what you need to do, right? Hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the Grown Women's Table. And until the next video, bye-bye.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's Life. Yeah, this is Lori's Life. Yeah, check out Lori's Life. Yeah, this is Lori's Life. If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's Life. Yeah, this is Lori's Life. Check out Lori's Life. Yeah, it's Lori's Life.